Good day, student. So today I'm going to be teaching you on a topic called polynomials. So I'm going the topics the I'm going to teach the topic in series. So after I'm going to segment it in short videos. So try to watch the next videos so that you can be able to learn everything you need to know about polynomials. And please like and subscribe to this channel so that I can continue to send more videos. So today, as I initially said, the first part of the video is going to be introduction to polynomials and the things that you need to know about polynomials and those vocabularies that are posted that you can see on my screen. So the first one is monomial. There is a number of variables or the product of number and one or more variables. That is monomials. Polynomial is a monomial or sum of monomials. When you have more than one monomials, it's polynomials. While binomials is a polynomial with exactly two terms. Okay. And trinomials is a polynomial with exactly three terms. And coefficient is a numerical factor in terms of algebraic expression. When you say coefficient, is the numerical factor in the terms of algebraic expression. Degree of monomial is the sum of the exponent of all the variables in the monomial, meaning that degree of monomial is the sum. That means the number of the power, if you want to, the sum addition of the power. So the degree of polynomial in one variable is the largest exponent of that variable. So the largest number there is the degree of that polynomial. Then the standard form, when the terms of polynomials are arranged from the largest exponent to the smallest exponent in a decreasing order, is called is a standard form. So as the class goes on, you understand when I put it in the form of mathematical expansion. So this table here now is classifying polynomials in degree and the number of terms. So the first one is actually a polynomial. A number is a polynomial, but the degree of that polynomial is zero. And they classifying it by degree. Initially, I forgot to tell you, a polynomial can be classified into either by a number of terms or by degree. What I mean by degree, by exponent, by the power. All right, when we say something is degree, when you have two, when you have, when you have, sorry, when you have two, okay, let me get my pen. Sorry. When you have 2x, this factorial, and then, okay, okay, good. So when we have something like 2x squared, so the degree is 2. So when I'm dealing with the degree, the highest number, so 2x is about 3. The degree here is 3. So the degree, when we are dealing with the degree, okay, 5 is constant. They are constant classifying by degree. We only have constant. It does not have variables that has a degree. So classifying by number of terms, which is monomials. How many number of terms do you have there? You just have one, monomials. So the second example would be 2x minus 4 on the degree is the first degree, which is you just have one degree. So also known as the word one, by classified by degree is linear, one linear equation. Classified by number of terms, binomial, meaning there are two numbers there. We have 2x, this is one term, and -4, which is the second term, meaning binomial. So the second one, we have 3x squared plus x is also under the second degree by degree because of the highest number is 2. So it's also known as quadratic. So quadratic is actually a polynomial, which is the highest number is 2. And binomial is also still binomial because you have two, in the number of terms, you have two terms here, x and 3x squared. Okay. On the third one, we have by degree is on the third degree because highest power is 3, 2. And by classifying by degree is cubic because the highest number is 3. I mean to say. And classifying by number of terms is trinomial, meaning there are more than three terms there. So the second thing that is there is the number of polynomial, the expression by degree, by name. This is just general principle of how we'll be able to locate them by polynomial expression by degree, by names, and when the degree is 1, it's called linear. When the degree is 2, it's called quadratic. When it's 3, it's called cubic. And when it's 4, it's called quartic. So remember, in summary of this introduction, that polynomial is classified into two. It's either by degree or by number of terms. What I mean by number of terms, like for example, the first one, ax squared is a term. So when there is, and b is also a term. So when we have 5 is, let us say 5 is one term, 2x is also a term, 5x squared is also a term, and 3x cubed is also a term. These are three terms. So if I decide that I want to put two of the terms together, I can say 3x cubed minus 5. This is a term, but it will have two terms there. The first term is 3x cubed. The second term is -5. So classifying it by the number of terms is two terms. So it's binomial. But by number of degree is called quartic. It's cubic because the highest power here is 3. So I can decide to also put 2x plus 5 is also by number of terms. There are two terms here, but number of degree, the degree here has only one number, which is linear. So you need to understand how the thing comes together, classified by either by terms or by degree. So the next class we are going to be, the next video I'm going to be posting, I'm going to be doing addition, subtraction, and multiplication of polynomial. I would like you to actually click the next video and watch that aspect so that it will help you to understand polynomial the better. Thank you.